Hello, my name is Mike Peterson, Product and Applications Specialist for the Telehandler Product Group at Caterpillar. Today we're here to talk about the D-Series TL Telehandler model lineup, talking about the complete redesign of our machine and some exciting features that'll help you on your job site. Before we get started, let's talk about our lineup. This is again the TL model lineup, starting with the 642D, the TL 943D, the 1055D, and the 1255D. All of our nomenclature is intuitive. For example, the TL 1055D stands for 10,000 pounds rated lifting capacity and 55 feet lift height. So without further ado, let's walk around the telehandler and get to know it better. Starting at the front of this machine, where all the work happens, we have a wide variety of forks and carriages, including a standard tilt fork, a side shift fork, a side tilt rotate fork carriage. On the 10,000 and 12,000 pound machines, we do have swing fork carriages, and we also do have a dual position fork carriage that hydraulically moves the fork tines in and out, increasing that safety on the job site. Additionally, we have a variety of buckets available to use, including a material handling bucket, a multi-purpose bucket, and a grapple bucket, and coming very soon, a pipe grapple bucket to handle those loads. Other options coming that are very helpful would include some hydromechanical tools, including brooms and sweepers, concrete buckets, and hoppers. On this machine, we do have the IT quick coupler, providing great versatility for our customers who have previously had backhoe loaders, small wheel loaders, or compact wheel loaders. This IT coupler comes in manual quick coupler or an optional hydraulic quick coupler. We additionally also have an optional electrical harness for those hydromechanical tools requiring the electricity out to the work tool attachment. On this boom head, it is a reinforced boom head structure, providing great stability and durability for those heavy loads. A boom head cover and boom brush covers for those high debris environments, preventing material ingress into the boom section. Moving to the right side of the boom head, one of the values that are built into the CAT telehandler is that auxiliary hydraulics come standard. It's a great value for those customers who want versatility in their machine. With standard auxiliary hydraulics, on the D-Series is 25 gallons per minute, great flow for those hydromechanical tools, again adding versatility to your machine. We also have on the right side an opportunity to talk about stabilizers. Stabilizers are optional on the TL 642D and the 943D, and they do become standard on the 10,000 pound and 12,000 pound TL 1055 and TL 1255. Additionally, in this area, we also have the opportunity to talk about frame leveling. On each of the 4 models within the TL series, we have 10-degree frame leveling to each side, allowing this machine to adjust to the hills and valleys that a telehandler will encounter on the job site, allowing us to center the load, keep that load stable, 10 degrees to the left and to the right frame leveling. One of the values that we provide with the CAT telehandler is a side-mounted engine with a large sturdy hood, providing easy access to our CAT C4.4 engine matched with the CAT power shift transmission. On the CAT TL 642 and 943 we have a 3.4B, and on the 1055 and 1255D we have a C4.4. All of our filters are easily accessible with our engine oil and transmission checkpoints as well. Our air filters, all of the access that you need to maintain your machine on a daily basis. One of the significant aspects in this redesign, as we considered the voice of the customer, was to improve the visibility for the operator. In order to do this, we took, on this particular machine, the extension cylinder for this boom structure and moved it from the bottom onto the top of the boom structure, significantly increasing the visibility to the right and to the rear. We also moved the lift cylinders, and we now have one single lift cylinder further up on the boom instead of 2 lift cylinders, again further reducing the congestion to the rear, allowing excellent visibility. And now let's take a look at some exciting new options. Coming to the rear of this machine, we now have our retrieval pin incorporated into the counterweight. We continue with our boom cover, preventing debris from entering the rear of that boom section. We also have a reverse object detection system, providing an excellent range of reverse sensing of 8 feet wide by 15 feet deep, helping prevent the operator from running into any objects, providing added safety on the job site. Additionally, we also have a rear camera as an option, providing an excellent field of vision for those things that might be behind the machine. Specific to the TL 1055 and 1255 is a rear axle stabilization system. This system, when the boom is angled above 45 degrees, hydraulically locks out the oscillation of the rear axle, providing additional stability on the job site. Coming to the rear of the machine, you'll see we have our fluid fill points: hydraulic oil, diesel fuel, and diesel exhaust fluid. We also want to point out we have a very large, quick release emergency exit window to the rear of the cab. We're really excited about our new, completely redesigned cab. Significantly more spacious, ergonomically laid out switches, adjustable steering column, optional air suspension seat, reducing fatigue and keeping your operator productive on the job. Thank you so much for your time today. As you can see, these D-Series telehandlers have been designed with the operator in mind. We're really excited about them, and I think you should be too. Contact your Cat dealer and try one today.